Welcome back to Crystal DIY. So we'll be running a promo commercial soap making class. So if you've seen this video, just register and enroll in the class. Are you a soaper? You know how to make soap, you want to upgrade your skills in soap making? I will teach you how to make soap. I will teach you how to make profit in soap making. This is some of my students soap. That is what I'm showing you guys, people that have enrolled in our class to learn how to make soap as a professional. Enroll today and learn how to master the act of making soap. Learn how to start soap as a business. I have so many people that have learned soap making from me, how to make profit in soap making, how to, for commercial purposes. You want your soap to stand out, you want your soap to come out as best in soap making in your area where you're making soap. Just contact me. Chat me on WhatsApp below so I can enroll you in the class. I will teach you how to make soap with only PKO. I'll teach you how to make soap with PKO and tallow. I will teach you how to make soap with only bleach palm oil. I will teach you how to make soda soap. That is a bonus class in this production. I will teach you how to make soda soap, profitable soda soap. I will mentor you. I will not just pack you in one group and leave you. I will mentor you till 1 month. This is the soap I make. This is my own soap. Are you seeing it? Set quality soap. This is the soap I make. So chat me up if you want to learn how to make soap, if you want to master the act of making soap, if you want to make profit in your soap making, if you want to upgrade your skills in soap making, just chat me up. So this training is just one-on-one training on WhatsApp. This is one-on-one training on WhatsApp. I want to monitor your growth in soap making. I don't want to pack you guys in one group unattended to. I just want to see how you grow. If you pay today, we'll start our training today. So that is what I want to do, to help you guys to learn how to make a very beautiful soap. I will even teach you some tricks in soap making, how to make profit, some modes. If you don't have money to buy commercial soap, you can use this one here. I can teach you how to get this kind of mold, so you will use it for your production till you get money to buy commercial soap making cutter. That is the benefit you will get in my class. I don't want to add people in groups and leave them unattended to. Though I have a group where you can ask questions, where I will join you, ask you, but the training will be one-on-one. I want to teach you. I will hold your hand till you're perfect in soap making. I will hold your hands. We'll keep talking till you are perfect in soap making. Please chat me on WhatsApp. Don't call me. Just chat me on WhatsApp. I will attend to you. I will attend to you very well. I will teach you how to make a very beautiful soap. I will hold your hand till you are perfect in soap making. So this is some of my soap that I've made so far. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing how beautiful this soap looks? Do you know that soap is a everyday use? After food, soap is another thing people use on a daily basis. If you make soap, you must sell your soap. So this particular soap is my student soap. This orange soap is one of my students' soap. So are you seeing how beautiful? She registered for our advanced class, which I want to teach you guys on how to make this particular soap. Are you seeing how beautiful? She got the cutter from us. She got the training from us too, and she's perfect in what she's doing. Dawn soap. Her soap is Dawn soap. Are you seeing this? This is some of my students that make this soap. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing the soap? So if you want to be happy like these guys that sent me their screenshot and all that, just chat me on WhatsApp so we can start the training right away. If you pay today, the training will start tomorrow. If you pay today, one-on-one on WhatsApp, one-on-one on WhatsApp. Is not, I'm not scheduling it for any day. If you pay, the training starts the next day. If you pay today, the training starts the next day. The training starts the next day. Thank you, and I'll be looking forward to you guys. Are you seeing some of my production, some of my student production, not mine actually? Are you